first part of this module, we discuss the vital roles insects and other arthropods play in nutrient cycling. Specifically, we examined how decomposers are essential to the maintenance and natural turnover of healthy ecosystems. In the second part of the module, we reviewed stage-dependent post-embryonic growth in insects and discussed the influence that temperature has on growth rates. We illustrated how knowledge of temperature-dependent developmental rates can be used in the creation of degree-day models that can, in turn, be used to time application of pest management tactics or assist in forensic investigations. We also explored how an understanding of insect ecology can provide entomologists with some insights into homicide investigations. We discussed the concept of insect succession, as well as how degree-day models can be used by investigators as a method to estimate post-mortem intervals. As scientists, we can't help but be interested in the concepts and practices behind forensic entomology, despite the stomach-churning visuals. With this, we have come to the end of Module 5. If you have stayed with us throughout the entirety of the module, in spite of the disturbing images in some segments, well done. We promise the next module will have much more pleasant visuals. Specifically, we'll be looking at insects that feed on plants, the evolution of herbivory, and the many adaptations that insects have developed to go veggie.